Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we are going to create a task list. I show you how to make a task list where, for example, we have some task like complete Google Sheet video, edit video script, upload video to YouTube, research next topic, review viewers comments, prepare presentation slides, update video description. We should have a checkbox next to each task so that when a task is completed, we can tick the checkbox and the task will be strike off with a different color. For example, if I completed the task and tick the checkbox, it will appear as if the task is done. Let's start with this video. First, I create a new sheet and name it task list. I merge the cell at the top and label them as task list. Then I center align and bold the text. Using Ctrl B, I enter the task and their status, whether they are completed or not. For now, let's say our task is include. I enter all these tasks into the sheet. Now we need checkbox next to each task. To add checkbox, go to Insert and click on checkbox. This will insert checkbox next to your task. I format them by making the checkbox bold and adding borders around them. The next step is to make it so that when you click on a checkbox, the task gets strike off and its color changes. To do this, we will use conditional formatting. First, select the cells with the task. Then go to Format and choose the conditional formatting. In the format rules, select the custom formula is we start with the formula is equal to, and since we want the status of this task to change based on the checkbox in the column C, we fix the C3 cells by using the dollar sign like this. Now choose the format you want to complete a task. I choose green. and strike through formatting and click done. And now whenever you click the checkbox, the text will be strike off and its color will be changed. If you uncheck the box, the text will return to its original format. We use true in the formula because when you check box, its value becomes true, and if it's unchecked, the value remains false. I hope this tutorial made it easy to create a task list in Google Sheet. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.